couple of days. But talking about that, Delta Corp is under pressure today. This is on the back of their weak set of Q3 numbers. In fact, we are covering this under our Insight Edge segment on the show. So Mangalam, tell us more.
Well, we know that the numbers were weak this time around. The insight here that we got from the management's commentary, and that led to the amelioration of the stock from the lows, are a few. The first one, of course, is that 55% of the company's quarterly revenues came in December itself. Why is that? Because one, GST regime got them to rethink the strategy, and Diwali itself was delayed. So not a lot of activity that we saw in October and November. Q4 will be similar to Q3. Why? Because now that the company has begun to give discounts and increase promotions to lure back customers, there has been an uptick in demand. However, one of their ships goes into dry dock, so revenue in Jan won't be recognized, as a result of which Q4 will be as impacted, and we will see Q3 revenues similar to Q4 revenues similar to Q3 itself. The other issue that the street had was that there were no provisions made for the 24,000 crore show cause notice. To that, the company said lawyers believe there is no need currently, and in the next month, GST show cause notice hearing will be there with all claims clubbed together. So that will be extremely crucial to watch out for. On diversification, they've diversified into real estate to make best use of the funds and the promoters' acumen. And they may also pivot a little more into the realty business, as they see no opportunities as of now to grow a casino business in India. Daman, the other big issue that there was there, the company said that Deltin Daman hearing will be there in the next few months under the new jury. So we'll know whether a casino opens in their Deltin property out there or not. And finally, we spoke to them about value unlocking, to which they've said that they put the online gaming IPO under abeyance until regulatory clarification on the GST business. And they will sell stake in Advani Hotels, which they owned about 28% at the right time. So those were a bunch of insights that we got in from the management. In fact, let's cut across to the conversation that we had with Anil Malani, who is the CFO of Delta Corp, to discuss more on their Q3 performance.
October, November, December quarter generally is a very strong quarter for us. But as you remember, this is the first quarter where the new GST tax regime kicks in. We are hopeful that we will be able to turn around and probably get back to the same revenues that we were doing earlier. The quarter four revenues, we are pretty confident would be probably in the similar lines of the quarter that just finished.
Okay, so that's Delta Corp. But just want to point out that